The great Guru
Great, who is His Holiness Cla Cla Swami.
Anybody?
Any? Welcome, dear scholars, devotees, skeptics, and PhD Vaishnavas. I think somewhere in the back. Tonight we explore a great mystery. A mystery older than most temples in ISKCON. A mystery older than internet debates in ISKCON. The mystery is this.
Can a woman be guru?
I mean, can Vaishnavi be guru? Tonight we consult with the highest authority. Okay. Not Twitter, not ChatGPT, not WhatsApp groups,
Not Pamho discussion conference.
not angry temple authorities.
Not even GBC. No.
Not even GBC subcommittees on guru. Tonight we consult with Krishna.
Krishna!
Where are you, Krishna?
Here's Krishna. I cannot see you. Krishna.
Here is Krishna.
Oh my God, Krishna. You're here. Very good.
And several other puppets.
Hare Bol, Hare Bol. Listen carefully, everybody. My name is Cla Cla Swami, but you can call me Maharaj. I'm defender of ancient traditions. I am protector of Sri Dharma. I am protector of misunderstood quotations and a destroyer of context. And I declare boldly, strongly, and without any doubt, women cannot be gurus. Never. Impossible. It's against my Irish Dharma.
This is Radharani herself.
Excuse me, Swami Ji. I'm only a little girl, but I have a question to you. Can you answer this question?
I will try. I'm not sure if I can answer all your questions. I'm not prepared for this debate with a girl. Children and girls cannot ask intelligent questions. This is a step one of Dharma. How can you ask questions? You're too little. You may be not very intelligent.
But Krishna, in the Gita, asked many questions. And what do you do with them?
Yes, questions are always good.
Good. Please don't interrupt any lectures that I give.
Swamiji, why women cannot be gurus?
Because I read a sentence somewhere. It says women might not have authority. Therefore, discussion is finished.
The famous ancient method. Step 1, find sentence. Step 2, ignore the rest of the scriptures. Step 3, declare victory.
Perhaps we should examine all the evidence. Cla Cla Swami.
Impossible!
What about Ghosh, or Lokamudra, or Wak, or many others? The ancient text lists many women who occupied Vedic positions. 26 are listed. They practiced that transmitted knowledge.
This is suspicious scholarship.
Facts often are. The Upanishads say man and woman were created as two equal halves, like two halves of a shell.
Yes, even mathematicians agree with me.
But grammar, the word svarga kama is masculine. Therefore, only men qualify.
You quote objection discussed by Jaimini. And what did Jaimini conclude? He concluded the opposite. He explained the masculine form does not exclude women. Eligibility depends on desire, not gender.
Anyone who desires can achieve the highest perfection.
Anybody can become the supreme authority if they represent Krishna. Scriptures also say saintly women have rights in mantra transmission. Hare Bhakti states clearly saintly women have authority in initiation.
This is terrible! Where did you find this? Even worse! It's in Sanskrit!
Is there anywhere it says that women cannot be guru?
What did the verse said? No! But traditionally, women have the right to be gurus. We have so many examples, dear Swamiji.
Let's examine another text. In Rudra Tantra, it says a saintly, disciplined woman who knows mantra and scripture may become a guru.
I personally said Vedic, Tantric, or mixed worship are all valid paths, so Pancharatra included, and all the other traditions.
Swamiji, why are you so afraid of women teachers?
Why? Because they might be better than me. No, I mean, because it's a danger for brahmacharis.
True authority comes from different realm. History confirms that women studied Vedas, performed rituals, taught philosophy, even composed sacred mantras, some of the Alvaras. The greatest authorities in Sri Sampradaya were women.
But Manu, he said that they should not be worshipped. Yes, this is what said Manu.
Many ancient texts says that women can be gurus.
Scripture requires intelligence and humility.